What is going up? Welcome back to the best day trading, investing, money management channel on YouTube. If you guys are new to the team, drop a subscribe down below. If you guys subscribe, you guys get this free book. I know I have to send out a couple of these books for you guys. I know I'm working on it, don't worry. But in today's episode, we're going to be talking about Stash, what it is, and is it even a good app for retirement investing? Now, a lot of people are drawn to Stash because of a couple of things. They find it very, very convenient that they can look at their retirement planning, their investments, all on their phones. It's very similar to Robinhood or Acorns, but this is a little different. Now, Stash, you can start with the little amount of $5. It's great for beginner investors and beginner people who just kind of want to get their feet wet and want to start worrying about retirement. One thing that's pretty cool is you get to choose your investments. Now, you get to choose them from pretty much the riskiest all the way down to the most conservative thing that you can think of. Now, a lot of these are S&P 500s all the way to small caps. And the S&P 500 is very simple. It's just the top 500 companies merged together into one index fund, so you can invest into a broad of companies. So if one goes up and the other goes down, you get to break even. But if the general market goes up, then you're banking in the money. But what are the cons of Stash? Now, they do offer two different programs. They offer the investment program and the retirement program. Now, the investment program starts out at $1 a month. Now, you might be saying, Carter, that's only $1 a month. That's really not that big of a deal. And yeah, for some of you guys, $1 a month is not that big of a deal. But if you are investing $100 a year into this and they're taking out $1, now that's 12% per year. Now that is crazy just for the regular investment program that they offer. And if you guys want to get into the retirement program, that's $2 a month. So same thing, if you guys are only putting away $100 a year, that is 24% per year going to this company. So they do have some expensive fees on top of this as well. So if that's, say you are investing into their investment program, at that $1 a month, they have this expense fee. Now, this expense fee over the course of a year can be upwards of $5.40 a year. Now, you're saying, Carter, that's really not that big of a deal. It's only $5, $6. Well, if you're investing small amounts, it's going to be a large percentage of your profits, and it's going to be kind of bad. But if you are investing, maybe over that $1,000 mark per year, maybe in that $2,000 or $3,000 mark, now Stash could be a great thing because it's such a small percentage, and they don't charge any commissions or anything like that. So it's pretty cool about that. But all the rest of the stuff is pretty expensive. We're going to compare it to Fidelity. Fidelity doesn't offer any monthly fees. They do offer a expense fee of 0.8%. So if you guys invest $1,000, it's 80 cents per year. Just to keep things in perspective, it's not the best thing. Or Stash is not the best thing. Fidelity goes all the way. Or you can even put money in a mutual fund like Vanguard. They do offer a iOS app, and it's still no fees, anything like that. It's pretty good. So for me, Stash is for someone who's a beginner investor. They want to get their feet wet investing. They don't have the capital to kind of go at it, and that's where Stash makes a lot of its money, off those beginner investors, because they don't have the capital and they can't really do anything about it. But so just to recap on all of this, retirement's $2 a month, and just the regular investing is $1 a month. If it was me, I would try to put maybe $200 or $300 a month if you were going to do this app. That's just my personal opinion, because you don't want to have these fees kind of take a lot of your profits. But that is it though. I'll put a link down below if you guys want to sign up for this or just learn about it. You guys can get $5 in investment programs. It's pretty cool. But that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and if you did, drop a subscribe down below. Do you like these videos? If you do, comment. Say, Carter, I like when you talk about retirement planning. Carter, I like when you talk about trading, and I know I'm going to do some more live trades. I have some already filmed. I think I just kind of post them. But that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Peace out.